about uh, angles, lines for segment line. About segment line, we were discussing in uh, previous lecture. Segment line, ray line, collinear line, and intersecting line, parallel line. About all this we were discussing, isn't it? Then after discussion of lines, we moved on where on the discussion of angles. In the context of angles, we were discussing about angles, yeah, about adjacent angles, about common arms, about non-common arms, yeah, about theta. What is a theta? Where is used? Where is the theta used? All this, yeah. So now I hope you got it. What we are moving to next. We are moving on the next. So now we have a question. Now we have question. Question is with the diagram. Question is in the following. In the following is angle 1 and adjacent adjacent to angle 3. Figure is like this. So here, this is a figure of this question, and question is saying find what angle one and angle one adjacent to the angle three, to the angle three. So angle three is angle three adjacent. This is same. This is same. So there is condition. There is condition. This is adjacent angle. Okay, this is adjacent angle. So here we have this to say, yeah, this is an adjacent angle. So our condition should be first of all, this is already adjacent angle. Okay, so adjacent angle because we have two angles. So here this is a common arm from here to till here. From here to till here, this is a common arm. Yeah, and this will be known as non-common arm. So obvious this is not a common arm to the angle 1. This is a what adjacent. This angle 3 is not adjacent. Angle 3 is not adjacent. Did you understand? Did you understand? Here. This is vertex because so at one point we are looking what ends of a three-ray line is at one point. That's why we are saying O is named as a vertex point. Okay. and this is adjacent. But our question is saying angle 3, your angle 3 is adjacent. So we have to find out, we have to identify. This is, so this is adjacent, this is opposite to the adjacent, and this is what? If we look, then we don't have a common arm uh, from the perspective of angle 3. But whereas in the context of angle 1 to angle 2, then we have this common arm. Then we can say, then we could have said that angle uh, angle 2 is what? Angle 1, angle 2 is adjacent. Okay, so this first, this is a common vertex. Second, non-common arms. Third, this is not adjacent. Okay, we are moving on next question. We are moving on next question. Next question is angle 1 adjacent to angle 2? Figure is like this. This is figure. This is figure. So you try to understand it. This is a common arm. We have two angles. We have two angles. So two lines are lying with with okay. So this is a common because we have two lines with one place. At one place we have two lines. Yeah, you can. That's why we are saying it. It's what common arm. This is common arm, and this is opposite. This is opposite to adjacent. Yes or not? This is opposite to. So this is adjacent, and is it adjacent or not? Yeah. We have what? Common vertex. So common vertex. Okay. And we have what? Common arm, and we have opposite non-common arm. Opposite non-common arm. This is adjacent. Shall we move on next? Here, try to understand, this is not adjacent. Why? This is common, but this is not opposite of. This is not opposite to adjacent to this line. This is not opposite, and also we don't have common vertex. We have two vertex. Yeah, this vertex, this one, but we don't have a common vertex. That's why. This one is a non-common vertex. Non-common vertex. We have common arm, but we don't have a common vertex. That's why this is not. We don't have common vertex. We don't have a comma vertex. Okay. Next question. This were two question to clarify. Next, we are moving to the topic complementary angles, and then supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. There are some angles that we are going to understand. This is complementary angle and second is supplementary angle. Now we need to identify that which angle would be supplementary, which angle would be complementary. So here you can use a trick to remember complementary, which means we have angles. We should have we should have more angles, two or more angles, not only one angle. Okay, we should have two or more angles. It is saying sum of angles would be 90 degree. Would be 90 degree. Whatever you have angles, if sum of your angles is 90 degree, then it would be known as complementary angle. Complementary angles. So definition of this complementary angle is sum of all angles would be 90 degree. Got it? In other words, we say what right angle. Whatever. Okay. Let's say this is okay. This is a 60 degree. Okay. And then this is 90 degree already. And now this is a 30 degree. We have two angle. In this figure. This angle is with 60 degree and this angle. Okay, I am going to name O A B C. It's okay. So we have two angle A O B and second B O C. So here angle A O B is 60 degree and then second 30 degree. So 60 and 30 is how much? 90 degree. So that's why it would be known as complementary angles. Okay, complementary angle. This is a complementary angle. So here you can have more rather than two. You can have more. But condition is sum of all angles, whatever you have, is 90 degree, then that sum of angles would be known as complementary angle. Okay, are you trying to understand or not? It was just an example. In details, we will practice with more angles, and we will sum all angles. Then we will get a complementary. Question also we will try to practice. Okay. Second, let's try to understand about discussion of supplementary angles. We try to understand about complementary angle. Complementary angle, which means sum of angles is 90 degree. But in the case of a supplementary angle, so it says that you have more angles, you have two angles, you have three angles, you have four angles. So sum of your angles is 180 degree. Now it would be known as what supplementary angle. Is it easy? Is it easy or not? So whatever you have angles, whatever you have a value of angles, I'm not saying angle, angles, Angles, which means you have more angles, two or more, not only one. So here, in the case of a supplementary angle, you are saying that I have angles and some of my angles is 100 degree. So it would be named as in English word supplementary angle. But whereas you have angles and which some of your angles is going to be 90 degree. Now this sum of angles would be known as complement instead of supplement, because we have a sum of angles we have a sum of angles is 90 degree. That's why. So remember always, if sum of all angles is 180 degree, these all angles would be named as supplementary angles. Clear? Let's make it clear. Uh, this is 180 degree. Am I right or not? This is 180 degree. And also it is said as straight angle. Straight angle. So here we have how much? Let's see. This is O, this is A, this is B, this is C, this is a B, and this is A. Okay, this is A. Here, let's try to identify how many angles have we. Okay, so we have AOE, which is with a rotation of 30 degree, and this is this is a 60 degree, and let's say this is how much? 90? No, 50. 50 degree. Clear? Then here, how much? 70. Am I right? And this is, let's say 20. Not, this is a 30. This is a 30. Yeah, this is a 30. Now it makes a sense. It makes a meaning. So let's write it in mathematical way. We have how much angles? How much have we angles? 1, 2, 3, 4. AOA, which is 30 degree, and OAD, which is 50 degree, OCD, which is 70 degree, BOC, which is 30 degree. Now, if sum of these angles is coming 180 degree, then it would be known as supplementary angles. So absolutely, some of these angles would be how much? 180 degree, because we have a line which is AO. AO is with with a rotation of 180 degree. Of course, this would be how much? 100 degree. So here 20 and 30, 100 and 80, 180. Okay, now you are first note. Some of these angles is how much? 180 degree. 180 degree. This is a way to represent a definition of some angles. Alright. When we are getting sum of angles is 180 degree, then we can say in English word supplementary angles. We have supplementary angles. On the other way, We are getting sum of angles is 190, then we can say this is a complementary angle. Okay, shall we move on? Next, what do you say? Uh, did you understand it? We understood about adjacent? No, we are with practice. And then we defined it and also supplementary angle. Okay, just have a look. I am moving. I am moving to the next. Next, let's take some questions. Let's take some question. Okay, I am getting. I am going to get erased. Now we are taking question, some question from which we can be clear. We can be clear with the practice. Let's practice with the question of complementary and supplementary. I am writing question. The ratio of two complementary angles is 2:3. Find the angles. Find the angles. Okay. Find the angles. So we have ratio. Ratio is 2 by 3. 2 by 3. It can be written as 2 up or 2 upon 3. Clear? And we have to identify angles. So it is a ratio. It is a ratio. We don't have a value of exact value of angles. We don't have. We have to find out what is the way, what is the process to find out exact value of angles. So we have a given ratios of angles, but we don't have a given exact value of angles. Okay. As you're looking, what type of equation comes? Let's solve. So here, remember, it is saying complementary. In question, it is saying complementary. So in your to your mind, in your mind would become yeah complementary. So and sum of angles is should be 90. Am I right? Let's just say we don't know value of angle. Value of angle. 2x, 3x. One second. Value of exact angles is 2x by 3x, but we don't know value of x. It is a question. This is what we have to identify. We have to find out. value of x. Okay. We have a small value of angles. We have a teeny value of angles. So here, first angle is 2x. First value of first angle is 2x, and value of second angle is 3x. So as we know, all values, whatever you have, just add, and after adding, you will get 90 degree. 90 degree. We are applying 90 degree because it is saying you have a complement. That's why we are applying 90 degree. Okay. This is a definition as well. You can say how we are saying sum of the angles is 90 degree. That's why we are saying. That's why question is saying you have a complementary angles. That's why we are applying 90 degree. That's why we are applying 90 degree. So it is a definition as well. Sum of angles we have written 90 degree. Sum of angles is equals to the 90 degree. Okay, clear? It's now equation. It's very simple. 5, then 90, then x, then 95. 1, 4, 8. Am I right? So x 80. So this is not exact answer, bro. This is not exact answer. This is a value only. This is a value. Now we have to put value of x with the 2 and with the 3. Then we will get exact value of exact angles. Clear? First 2x. So 2 multiple 80. That is 630. So exact value of first angle is 36. Next 3 multiple 80. 8 3 is 24. 4 2 3 2 5 54. So exact value of a second angle is 54. These are exact values of angles. Now just add 36 and 54. Here you can look, you can notice 2 plus 3 5. So is it a 90 degree? Is it a sum of 90 degree? No. So now can you say this is not exact value of angle? This is just a ratio. We have a small value of angle, any value of angle. This is exact. Now you can prove to yourself, yeah, this is exact value. How? Sum of these angles is how much? 30, 50, 80, 6, 4, 10, 88, and 90. Sum of this 90. Now we have a sum of angles is a 90. That's why it's the answer. That's the answer. I think we should move on next. What do you think? What do Did you understand it? Let's take next question. Find the complement of the following angles. First is 38 degree. Second is 4 by 5. A right angle. Right angle. Third is what? 45 plus 6. Now, question is saying you have a complement angle. So complement of 38 would be, this is what you have to identify. This is what we have to identify. What is the angle which would be complement of a 38 degree? What is that angle which would be complement of a 38? It's very easy. Just you have to follow some process. We don't know second value of angle. Okay. So 38 we have given. Uh, Value of a complement of 38. We don't know. That's why we have written x, because x is used to identify unknown value. Now, as we know, sum of angles is 90 degree, and in question it is saying you have a complement. So of course, this is sum of this angle is equals to 90 degree. Now its equation, its equation 4, then 8 and 3, 54. This is a complement value. This is value of a complement of 38. Got it? Now next this is question. This is a little complicated. 4 by 5. Yeah, 4 by 5. And it means multiple. It is saying right angle. Value of right angle is how much? 90 degree. Get it? Am I right? Get it? Now you have uh, 8 4 32. 4 3 7 72. So here remember, this is not answer. This is a value of this is a value of a angle. This is value of a angle. Complement value, but no value of a complement angle of this we don't know. That's why we are applying x alphabet variable to identify value of a complement angle of 72 degree. Sum of this would be 90 degree. Then 90 72. Now we have answer. 8 and 10. Am I right? No. 72 and 80. How much? Sum of 72. 8 to 10, 7, 8, 10, 9. 9. Yeah. This is right. 45 plus x. 45 plus x. 45 plus x. And then 90. Of course, 45. Of course, 45. Do you have any doubts in the context of this? Here, brother. We have found out the value of x, but the question is not saying that. Question is saying 45 plus x. Okay, 45 plus x is 90 here. 45 plus x 90. This side would be minus. Okay. This is with the brackets 45. Then subtracted uh, subtract. Okay, this is so here you can see 45 plus x, then 45 minus x. This x and this 45, 45, 90. This is a proof. we have just we have just put this and we have applied a complement angle, value of a complementary angle 90 degree. Then we have equation. So this is with 45 is with the x. That's why we have written with the brackets 45 plus x. And this is equation. Now we go to what we have answer 45 minus x. Now sum of this and sum of this would be 90. And this is a proof. Sum of this and sum of this would be 90. So value of a complementary angle is 90. So let's move on. Just to have a look. Now we are moving to the topic to the practice of a supplementary. Practice of a complementary equations is completed. Now we are going to move on the practice of supplementary equations. Question that we have is find the supplement of the following angles. So first question we have 188. 188. Second we have 100 plus x degree with a degree. We have two questions. Question is not question isn't saying you have that you have complementary. Now you have a supplement. So definition of a supplement angles is sum of should be sum of sum of angles should be 180. So supplement of this would be how much? There is a process. There is a process. So we don't know value of a supplement. Value of a supplement angle of this. Okay. 180 and supplement value of this we don't know, that's why we are applying x value. Then value of supplement angle how much is 180. Okay, this is a way, it's a way to find out answer of this equation. Now it's equation 180, then 180 here 2 and then 26. Am I right? Yeah. Now you can look. Just put value of this place of x. Then you would get equal value. Value of this would be 180, whereas this is also 180. 100, 60, 70, 70 and 80. Okay. What I'm saying, I'm trying to say, if you are not satisfied with this answer, there is a way to prove it, to prove your answer. what is it? Just put value whatever you found out value. So you have found out a value of x. Now with this equation, you have to put the value of x. 62, then 180. Okay. Now you would say value of this is 180 and this is 180. LHS and RHS is equal if what if LHS value of LHS is not equal to the value of RHS, then we can say our answer is incorrect. Now if value of LHS is equal to the value of RHS, it means your answer is correct. This is a way to prove of our answer. Next. This is a complicated. This is complicated. Just put. It is saying this. You have. It is saying that just you have to identify. Just you have to find out value of a supplement angle of this. We don't know. Okay. How much? 180. Just equation 180. This is a just equation, you already know. Then 100, and then subtract x as it subtract 180. Alright. So here 180 so definitely minus 1 minus 80. Then we have minus 6. Can we write like that? Yes or no? No. This. Otherwise, yeah. Now let's see. Is our answer correct or not? Okay. 100 plus. Then this is a supplement of this. So let's see. Let's see. Here we are getting 20, then 2x, 10x, 10x plus. No, our answer is incorrect because we are not getting value how much? 180. We are not getting. It's incorrect. What is the other way? What is other way? Let's say process is correct, but in some places is incorrect. 180 so 180 and 100, then like this. 20 no 80 this is okay. Now let's put 180. Now we are getting this will get cancelled. 180. Okay. process was best, but in some places we did wrong. We did wrong. Okay, in some places. This is okay. Now we are moving to the next. Just have a look. We have next question, which is find the angle which is first. First 20 degree more than its complement, and second 36 less than its supplement. Do you have any idea to solve it? It is saying you have 20 more than its complement. So can we write it 90 plus 20? 90 plus 20, which would be 110. But this is not a way. This is not a way. Look, buddy. We have to identify, we have to find out complement angles. Okay, but we don't have any angles, neither a value of first angle nor value of a second angle. Okay, it's a question. We have a statement, and the statement is the same. You have 20 more than its complement. First of all, we are going to 20. So we have angle of first angle, but we don't have exact value. It is given in statement value of 1. Value of 1. Uh, so we have to identify 90 minus 6 means we are going to find we are going to solve we are going to find out value of complement angles. So this is the first value of a complement angle, complementary angle. Okay, this is the first. Now second is this. It is saying how much more, how much 20. Now first this, and this is a value of a second angle is it is saying 90. It is saying 90. Did you understand till here? Okay. So here you can notice we have 90 already. This is equation. Here 20 subtract 20 minus x. So minus 20. Am I right? No. 90, 70, and then minus 2. What happened? What happened? What happened? This is not with bracket. First 90 minus 6, then it is more 20, and now complement value x. Okay, 90, 100 there. Okay, then 2x, 50. Value would be 50. This is 110 though. Now value would be 55. This is the first value of first angle, and complement of this would be 35. Second value of the second angle is 35. 35 is a complement of 55. Clear? This was way. You can see it, we have written like this because of our statement. Now let's see second. Second, what does it say? 36 less, then its supplement. 36 is less. So 180 and x, first value, and then it is less 36, and second this. Uh, how much? How much would it? Statement is correct. 4, then 7, then 4. Clear? 1 as it. 2x. 144, 7, 2. X is equal to 72. This is the first value of first angle. Second would be how much? Just 180 minus 72. 2, no, 8. 8 and 0, 108. This is the second and this is the first. This is a complement of 108 and this is a complement. This is a supplement of 72. Clear? This was our statement. Our statement is saying one. First of all, we have identified two value. This is the first value, and second, it is a more. How much? It is a less 36. And first we have found out value of first angle, which is 72. Second is 180. 108. Now sum of to this angle would be how much? 180 degree, which is supplement. Okay, have a look. Now we are going to move. This was add this more. Next is in division in multiply with this statement. Next questions which are find the angle whose first complement is 1/6 of its supplement. Second is supplement is 4 times its complement. We have a two statement and we have to identify angle. Okay. So let's solve it with the first question. Here, uh, complement and supplement. Complement and supplement. Complement is 1/6 of its supplement. What is it saying? What does it mean? Okay, it is saying you have a complement, and complement is 1/6 of its supplement. We don't know. It is not. We only know that it is not exact value. So complement. This is complement. We don't know. First angle we have. Second supplement. We don't know. This is second value. This is value of a second, but we don't know exact value. So here 90 minus 1 second. 90 minus 6. Clear? So here 1/6. This is of its. So from here to till here, try to understand. 1/6 as it of it is written as multiple. I am right or not? Supplement. This is supplement and this is a complement. 190 minus 6. Now we have equation. So this is a statement. This is written. This was written by statement. This is complement and this is this statement. We have written this. Okay, and now this we have written here. 1 by 6 of which means multiple and it's a supplement. Supplement is 90 minus 6. Now it's the equation 180 and then 6. 690 minus x and 180 minus 6. Clear? Am I right or not? We have multiplied, we did multiply 6 by 90. No. 40, then 180, then okay. Clear? It will get answer. Then we have how much? Zero, then 6, 4, 1, 3. 360. Wow. But I think something went wrong. Yeah. Here would be 6x. We didn't multiply 6 by x. We have did wrong in process 540. Now let's see. Then minus x and plus 6x. 360. Okay. 5x. 360. Okay. 5. 7 5 is okay. 2. X value of x is 74. This is the first. This is the value of first angle. Okay. This is the value of first angle. Just put value of this with this with this. Then we will get 2. 90 and then 20. How much? 180. 180. 8. Yeah. Then 180. Then we have 100. How much? Clear? This is answer. Okay. Whereas our answer is correct or not, we can also check it. How? 90 minus 72 and then by 6 multiple 180. Here we are going to check on our is our answer correct or not. 72 18. Okay, LHS is 18. 1 by 6 and then this is also 18. Not 108. No 18. LHS is equals to RHS. Our answer is correct. This is a way to check our answer is correct or not. Okay. Second. First is supplement, then second complement. Our statement is not in mathematics, and we have to make it in mathematics. If our statement in mathematics would be wrong, then our answer and process would be wrong. Uh, Supplement. As we know, second, yeah, supplement. Am I right? Then complement. Clear? And second, it is saying supplement can be write like that. Yeah, clear. Then this is a complement with four times. So it is saying 4 and then 90 minus x. 180, then clear? 9 percent 36. 9 percent 36. I'm not saying 96. Okay, 4 180. Yeah, yeah, okay. 180, okay. Yeah, okay. Clear. 36. Yeah. So we have a value of x is 60. 60. Just we have to put the value of this with this with this. Then we will get exact answer. 180 then 60. 20. Yeah. Then 90 minus 60 and 30. Now put this value with this equation to check our answer is correct or not. 60 clear. 4 then 90 minus 60 clear. 20, yeah, LHS is 20 and 360 24 24. I think so. Answer is incorrect. Answer is incorrect. uh, 360 120 120. Where is wrong? Where is wrong? You solve it and then see what is your answer. Uh, yeah, 4x. Yeah, 180. 180. 3 6 Let's move. You solve it and then say what is your answer and whatever your answer comes, just put value of your x with this equation with your equation. Then uh, is your LHS is uh, equals to RHS or not? Now I am going to move. Oh. Just have a look. We are taking next question. Next question is in the given figure, in the given figure, x is greater, wow, greater than y by 1 by 3 of, I think so, right angle. Find the value, find the value of x and y. First of all, we have given figure. We have given figure. Figure is like this. This is a figure. This is our figure of our equation. This is y and this is x. Okay. Here, try to understand the question. What What is the question saying? What is the question saying? Question is saying in the given figure we have this given figure and x is a greater. So x is greater. X is not minor. So we will write it with a add sign, and y is less than greater x. Okay. So x would be written with the sign of subtract. And this it is saying this is a statement. X statement is a strange. Then y by 1 by 3 of right angle. Find the value of x and y. Our main question is find the value of x and y. Here you can see we don't have any given number in mathematics. How would we be able to find out? So this is a straight, this is a straight, and supplement. Yeah. Sum of angles is how much? 180. So sum of this angle POQ and QOR is how much? 180. It is a linear pair. It is a linear pair. It is said linear pair because of the sum of angles is 180 degree. That's why it is said it is named as linear pair. So Here is line. Straight line. Okay. Here is straight line. Angle OP. Otherwise, you can write POQ is X and angle QOR is Y. Am I right? Whatever we have given, we have written. Whatever we have given in figure, in question, we have written. And we are writing. Okay. Uh, then, yeah. Sum of POQ and QOR is 180 degree, which means LP, linear pair. LP, linear pair. Clear? Clear? We are clear? Next step. What would be next step? Let's see. According to this. Yeah. Now, question is saying that it can be written as angle x plus angle y is 180. Otherwise, you can write it like that to solve it. Okay. X plus y is 180 degree, and it is set as LP, linear pair, because of the sum of angles is 180. Okay, 180. 180. Yeah. Now this statement, we it comes to this statement. X is greater. So x is greater, which means add. X would be written with the sign of add. Okay. Now y is less. Then y would be written with the minus sign. Is how much? 1 by 3 of which means multiple right angle triangle. Now it's equation. 3u. Yeah. X minus y is how much? 30 degree. Now we have a two equation. How much? Two equation. First of all, we will find out the value of first variable. After finding out the value of first variable, we will put the value of first variable in other equation. Just let's see here. Just look at here. X plus y 130. Okay, this is the first equation. First of all, let's find out value of first variable. Value one variable. X 180 minus 180 minus y. Now, just you have to put the value of this in second equation. In any equation, it doesn't matter. So, second equation is okay. This is the second equation. 180, 180. Then okay. Any problem? Now we have equation. uh, 150, then clear. 275. Y is equal to 75. We have a value of y, exact value y. We don't have a value of x. So here, this, let's say this is a third equation. We are going to use a third equation to apply value of y. X 180 and then minus y 75. Clear? Then what will be how much? 5 and then 0 and 1. Now you can write sum of this would be how much? 188. Yeah, I mean value of this is how much? 105 degree, then value of y 75. This is as it. Now sum of this will be 1. LHS RHS is same. It means our answer is correct. Value of this angle is 100 105, and value of y angle is how much is 75. Okay. Now sum of this, and now we can say proudly that this is a straight angle, this is a linear pair, and this what this ray line, that's why we have a two angle. We have two angle, but this straight line, which means it is straight and it is with a rotation of 180 degree. What 180 degree? Uh, should we do? Should we take next question? Should we take next question? Are you clear till here? Are you clear till here or not? Have a look just. Then we move on next. Okay. So here this is the equation, and this is already is given in our equation, and here till here we have written till here we have written as it whatever we have given in equation. Till here we have written. Now after this step we used mind our mind. This is a process to find out value of x and y. Okay, this was what to find out in our process. So just have a look, then we I am going to erase it. I am taking next question. Let's see what does next question say. See. Yeah. Next question. Next question is in the figure angle POR and then angle QOS is 110 degree. Find ROS. ROS figure is like this. This is question. Now, after looking this question, do you have any ideas to solve it? Tell me. Do you have any ideas? No. PQ is a straight line. Sum of these three angles would be 180 degree. Now, can we say it is a linear pair? We have to find out angle ROS. This angle ROS. Okay, this angle here we have given value somewhere, but angle sum of angle POR and angle QS, then it means POR and then QoS is 110 degree, but we don't have exact value for this angle and exact value for this angle. We don't have. Okay, we don't have exact value. This is and question is saying find out value of this angle. Okay, value of this angle. What is a what a question? Yeah, what a question. So here, whatever we have, whatever we have given is uh, POR and then QS is 110 degree. Clear? We know that so here linear pair we have three angles. Okay, we have how much three angle? Let's just say, and we know what sum of three angles would be 180 degree because of these three lines are on straight angle. That's all. So first of all, angle POR, then angle ORS, angle ORS. Okay, then SOQ, SOQ is how much? 180 degree. Can we say it is linear pair? Just for saying this is a linear pair. Okay, it will help. We don't know when, but it will help. Okay, here. This can we write A P O R and then Q O S. We are decorating it. Then R S. So we have this value of this two angle is how much? 110 degree. Just we have just we will put value of this two angle. How much? 110 degree. Then yeah. Okay. It's very simple. And we Kishan said find this value of this angle. And now we have correct the equation. 180 degree and then 110 degree. How much? 70 degree. So can we say value of this angle is 70 degree? 70 degree. Value of this is how much? 110 degree. Clear? This is answer, and this is what question was. This is what question was saying. Find this, find value this. Clear? I think it's enough. We have done some questions. In previous lecture, we were discussing about concepts of these questions, and it is a compulsory concepts, as you know. What is the importance of a concept? First of all, we should have to discuss about concept before questions. We have a two step. First of all, we should understand concepts of our question, whatever we have questions, whatever we have chapter. And then second, practice of questions. That's it. Concept and practice. Concept and practice of questions would clear our understanding, and we will be clear anytime we can solve. This is two step, and already you know, most of you know that yeah, two is compulsory, and you most of you use this method. You can say this is method. Two step. First, understanding of a concepts, and then second, practice of questions. That was our